I've been telling everyone about Dickie's method. It's a game changer. Please keep these videos coming. I'm learning so much. Thank you, Dickie. Learn, learn, learn. If you know better, you do better. All right, so we are about to end the year, and what a year it's been. I just wanted to give you a taste of all of the positive feedback that I've been getting from women all over the world that have fallen in love with their hair texture because I've helped you navigate and weed out all of that crappy information. It's a bit of an emotional journey to adopt a regimen that you've never been or embraced or told about specific to your texture. So it is really always great to see all of your positive feedback and how it just helped you to navigate a little easier. So the first thing I've learned from Dickie is water is my friend. Stop using hair products that are not for your natural hair. How to do a silk press safely. I feel so empowered because of you. Those three things alone have made a difference in my hair. Thank you. Thank you. I went natural in 2020 and I have silver crown with dermatitis. I went from 7 to 10 days to 4 to 5 days. What a game changer. Thank you, Dickie, for teaching me. Once I followed your advice that you gave regarding my hair hydration and moisturizing, my hair is something that I no longer fight or worry about. It's thriving thanks to your advice and knowledge. Yay! We love good hair. We love happy hair. I was fighting you on advice on wetting my hair every day. As a child, I was lucky if I got it wet once a month. You said as much conditioner as I have on my head. I was nowhere near that ballpark of usage. I was afraid of water fatigue. I've noticed a huge change. Length, texture is a lot more manageable when dry, the vibrancy, a lot more manageability, and my hair, I've fallen in love with it. Thank you. All right. I love your videos. I've been co-washing for about 3 weeks now, and what a difference. Ha 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 ha. I started the wash and go method a year ago, and 6 months ago I learned about Dickie's method. It's now more manageable. This method works. It takes a little time to adjust. I was able to incorporate it into my shower routine in about a week. It's the best thing ever. It's the best thing I could have ever done. I have finally found what truly works. Thank you, Dickie, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I really do. All I want women is to be happy about their hair. This man is the go-to person for my 4C natural hair. He is the legend and expert. Oh, thank you. I've been telling everyone about Dickie's method. It's a game changer. Please keep these videos coming. I'm learning so much. Thank you, Dickie. Learn, learn, learn. If you know better, you do better. Dickie, your content is unmatched, hands down. All right. I love that. I could keep going, but I don't have any more. Yes, I do. Have a wonderful new year, and I hope your good hair days outweigh all of your bad hair days. Happy New Year. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.